Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to download or watch any movies and web series online for free in HD resolution. Watch till the end so that it will be easy. Also like and subscribe if you like the video for more informative video. On the Play Store search Fun TV and download it. As I already downloaded it, I will show you directly. You can see here several new and old movies and web series are uploaded. Now let's check the quality of a web series.
Tell you that whatever we say in this room today.
या मिलिन, अगर उस दिन तू अपनी जान पे नहीं खेलता ना, पता नहीं कितने लोगों की जान जाती थी बॉस।
You can see here all the episodes are uploaded in HD quality. Now let's check a movie and its quality. Thank you for watching.